That's the diesel technician, man, getting ready to see what's going on. Put the gasket on this TL 2003. See what's going on with the gasket, man. Telling y'all, if y'all don't got one of these Matco joints, you need it. Just because of the quality of it. Yeah, that little screw right there, geek. So that's what must need. I'm gonna have to get them out. Sorry for that little wait, man, when I had to switch out my sockets. Fuck. That's because this one a cap. And the other ones aren't. Oh, okay, I see what it is. This one got a cap on it, so the bolt different. Or whatever. So next I'm gonna go ahead and get these out. This boy, he need to come out too. I think I can just pull it up. If I take this off. Because these like a quarter turn. Half a turn, whatever. Get them out of there. This might just lift up. Yeah, you ain't gotta take the screw all the way out. Okay, we got two more bolts. This one like a little cap too. See how the little cap come off? And this is a regular bolt. I had to switch my impacts because I ain't have that size on it. Gasket. Okay, yeah. I don't know if y'all see that. This is the gasket here. You can see you got like some build up inside the EGR ports and some dirt and stuff down inside of there. See all that stuff down in there? So I need to just, what I'm gonna do, and then I see some oil in it. So that might be the problem. So yeah, what you would want to do is remove this gasket. You see the gasket sit on those studs. That's why they got the caps on, but they sit on the stud. Okay. And probably see some of this stuff out of here. See how that stuff coming out? Coming out of that. Go here. You'll see it. Get this dirt. See that stuff coming out on that screwdriver. See all that stuff? So yeah, we just gonna clean that out, man. See what we can do about this oil. I'll probably get the new gasket on it. So if you're having a misfire issue, you want to check the gasket and see if that's clogged, the EGR ports and stuff like that clogged out. And plus, I see I got some oil in here. So, need a new gasket. Thanks for watching.